Well, good evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. As you can see, there's been a terrific atmosphere here. There is great expectation, excitement, and it has built nicely in these idyllic conditions. Conditions which are certainly playing their part in creating a glorious ambience. It's quite a struggle to get in here, points of access hard to come by, and an awful lot of people gathering to get through the gates. But regardless of that, there's a great feel here and much excitement for the game ahead. And the mood is boisterous. It is a perfect ambience for the central characters who are ready now to perform. Jim, how are you reading the formation?
Yes, and the importance of this formation is not to allow the midfield three and the attacking three to become too detached from one another. If that happens, then pressure can quickly be applied via the counter-attack, and you can be exposed defensively. So compactness can't be compromised, and you need talkers in this team. You need leaders and people that are willing to organise things very quickly.
So it's away we go then. Adrian Benabe. Now who's going to be first to this? It's a promising run he's making on the right. Looking for options, for movement. It's run loose here. Well, that looks a foul. Yeah, referee's given it. Well, that looks like a final warning. Still no card. What a start. Free kick in a dangerous position in the opening minutes. Towering header! And it's a goal! Just so calm under pressure, and he managed to fashion a fine finish.
Well, I think that defence there thought they were in good position, and they had him where they wanted, yet somehow he's worked the scoring position when it didn't see him on. It's really crafty business, that.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
Adrian Benabe, there's the shot, and a second time. It's a loose ball. Can he finish? It's in! And once more we are all square. You score, we score.
Yeah, since going a goal down, they've dug in to produce a really fine spell, which for me deserved that equaliser. Yeah, the touch before the finish is so often the critical part, and we've just seen an example.
That has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Well, they just couldn't have responded any better, Peter. Yeah, there's the old cliche about how teams can lose focus after scoring, but you still have to take your chances. Brilliant.
He's shifting through the gears here.
Okay, it didn't quite.
He's had a shot! Goal! Parma! And the game is well and truly turned on its head. Sharp, simple, satisfying. He just knew what was on.
Oh, players like this fella almost have a sixth sense to get themselves in such great coaching positions. How quick-minded was that?
So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here?
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
That's a good block, but at the expense of a corner. clears it away. It's a throw in. Hangs one in. That's an excellent interception. Plays it from a quarterback position. That's been intercepted. Midway through the first period, and it's looking quite a game here. He's felt that, hasn't he? Soft whistle's gone, that's a foul.
Well, I wouldn't quite advise they should resort to risk-taking at this stage. There's plenty of time left yet.
Pass is short and sharp. He's had it taken off him. Do have a chance to counter here. It's out for a goal kick. Foot in. Gently done. Passing is crisp and sharp. Great lead! Just couldn't turn it in.
Well, being able to generate that amount of activity in the box means it's hard not to pick someone out.
Parma finding their passes. Real chance! Decent enough try.
That's just unfortunate. Really, really unfortunate.
Approaching half-time and still behind. Can they make something happen now? Can he spark a counter here? Here's a sharp little ball. Big chance! Another chance! It's loose and there's a race for the ball. Adrian Benabe. It's run loose. Who's going to get there? Oh, it's come loose. Terrific save from the keeper.
Really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played.
Time for a change in personnel. That's not going to trouble anybody. There's the half-time whistle. Come in at half-time, largely satisfied with where they are. After a half which has certainly had its moments, has been lit up with some flair from time to time. The scoreline in their favour at the break, 2-1. So we reach the halfway point.
Well, give me a moment to get my breath back. What a super half of football. Incident-packed, goals, comebacks, and the match being turned on its head. Which way it's going to go from here, it's anyone's guess.
The action has already resumed here.
Well, I'm sure the managers talk the talk, and now it's time for these players to walk the walk and deliver a rousing response to a rousing team talk.
He steps in, and that's the end of that.
That's positional gold, the utilisation of space.
He has found a way through. And the shot! Moved on forwards. Adrian Benabi. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. Oh, that's a key interception. Passes coming off in quick succession here. Casade. Now then, the ball's come loose. Great. Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. Out of play for a throw. Adrian Benabi. Nice sequence of passes this. Oh, easy pickings there. Now, what about a counter-attack? And he's had it nicked away. And there's his chance to lead the counter. Biragi delivers across.
Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
There is an irresistible, irrepressible look about them here.
Spot on, Peter.
Oh, that's well spotted. Adrian Benabi.
Unless they can devise a quick counter-attacking plan, they're going to need to see much more of this ball.
Tries to think it through. Danger averted for now. Well, now here's a good battle, bicep to bicep. The referee's awarded a free kick. Well, that's a booking, always looked it. Forwards and with intent. It is looking like the end. If anything's going to happen, it's got to happen now.
Look, their path is set. They have to take risks in every situation now.
Casade. Pinches it off him. Just 5 minutes left.
Parma can afford to settle on seeing this one out by running down the clock, I think.
Lobbed in behind.
I think we're about to see a frenetic finish. No half measures from here.
Lovely bit of skill.